Gold. Ask you to join. Hello. Alright. Whoa. Wow. We have 100 people in the room. Yeah, that's crazy. Let's get the likes up. Welcome back to everybody who's just joining. I hope everybody's doing great. We're back live on TikTok to trade, learn, and analyze. Double tap on your screen, guys. I'm going to start with the analysis soon here. Bear with me. And if you're just joining, if this is your first time joining, then welcome. It's great to have you here. What I do here is I come here live to analyze the market, the Forex and cryptocurrency market, and I also take live trades here with you guys, and you guys are able to see, you're able to see how much money we are making. You're able to see the entire process of how trading works and all that. Okay, so we are just getting started. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and join my Telegram group so you can stay connected and just get more information for free. The link to the Telegram group is in my bio, so make sure you go there right now and join. I have two brokers that I always use and recommend. First one is called abado.com. The other one is fxcc.com. These two are really great brokers. They offer zero commission and low spread. This allows you to save a lot of money on the trading fees. Okay, whenever it comes to choosing brokers, always choose the one that has the lowest spread. Okay, and not that many brokers out there offers low spread. Okay, so choose wisely, guys. Go to my bio and sign up right now. Yes, I do drop signals on my Telegram group, but it's only maximum 3 signals a week. And this week, I've already dropped about 3 signals on that group. Actually, this week I dropped 5 because 1 was a loss. So I decided to drop 2 more to make up for the loss. So on the free Telegram group, the limit is 3 signals per week maximum. On the VIP is 5+. The VIP, I've been able to share about 8 signals so far this week, and I just shared another one this morning, and we'll most likely share another one later this afternoon and evening. So let's tap on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes up. Okay, so let me start with the analysis. I did not expect the live to get filled up so quick like this, so we'll get started. Make sure you follow me, guys. Follow me and join the Telegram group. Okay, let me just get started with the analysis right now. So I'm going to analyze gold, and then we'll look at all the things as well, like Bitcoin and so on. Okay, so looking at gold here on the 1 hour time frame, price is currently 26.88. Let's just see what happened from yesterday's live. Okay, after the analysis we did yesterday, this is basically what happened. We can see we had resistance at 26.85, which gold got rejected. It formed this double top, and expectation was that as a result, the price is supposed to come around, drop down to 26.73 or 26.67. Okay, these were the two targets for the price, either 26.73 or go down to 26.67. So what we see is after that rejection, price pulled down to 26.74, push back up, formed another double top here, but then this double top here actually fell because we can see this candle here actually broke above this high, which is not supposed to happen, but later on it ended up reversing and coming back and coming down to 26.73. Okay, so that's interesting. And now what I'm seeing is that gold just broke this the main resistance here. 26.85 was the major resistance, and gold literally just broke it right now. It broke it on this candle here, and yeah, so now there's a chance we could be heading higher, okay, depending on what the current candle is doing. Okay, the current candle here is super important. If it closes bearish, then I think it's going to come back down, but if it closes higher, okay, bullish, then it's most likely going to go up. At this point, for now, the best areas to buy gold, I've actually just marked it down here. It's between 26.81 and 26.86. These are the levels to buy gold as of right now, and price already tapped into that support and pushed back up. That was the reasons why I sent the signal on the VIP group a few minutes ago to go and buy gold. And yeah, so if gold returns back to that area again, it could push back up again. Okay, so this is the area where I want to look to buy gold. It's between 26.81 and 26.86. Okay, and in terms of resistance, well, right now it is at resistance, which is at 26.88 right now, but it looks like that resistance is getting broken. So if that resistance gets broken, then gold is most likely going to push higher. So if it pushes higher, we're not jumping into the buy, because where we wanted to buy is here, so we cannot buy here. Buying here, you're buying at the top, extremely risky. We're going to just wait. If the price is going to go up higher, then let it do its thing, and then we'll wait for a retracement and a new support to be formed for us to go ahead and enter a buy. Okay, so that is the analysis on gold. We will wait. If the price returns at this area, we will buy. Otherwise, we wait for a new support to be filled. Okay. Yeah, so let's tap on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes up. If this is your first time joining the live, you're welcome. It's great to have you here. Follow me on TikTok and join the Telegram group to get more information for free. And if you're watching on the other platform, kindly like the video, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel, please. Okay, so if it comes down here and it holds the support again, we'll look to buy. Okay, and I will be taking this buy on abato.com. all right, so watching it closely as the price is doing its thing. Let's look at other things very quick. This live is very short. We only have 1 hour on this live, and I'll come live again later in the evening session. Okay, so let's look at something else. Let's look at Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin, it did exactly what I predicted it was going to do on yesterday's live. I told you guys Bitcoin was coming down to 66,600, around there, and then when it comes there, that should be the area you should look for buys. So yeah, so far Bitcoin gradually made its way down to this support, 66,000. It didn't hit exactly 66,600, but so far so good. So I think Bitcoin is now going to get ready to push back up. Wait for the current candle to close. Okay, the current candle that's being formed right now. Let's wait for that candle to close. If it closes bullish, then you can go ahead and place a buy on Bitcoin. Target 67,800 as your take profit, number one, and then 68,300 as your take profit, number two. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. For now, you want to look for buying, okay, because Bitcoin is in an uptrend, and the best trades to take as of right now is a buy, not a sell. So trade wisely, okay? So that's Bitcoin. Let's look at GBP/USD, which is another pair I gave a signal on yesterday's live. I sent a signal to buy to to buy GBP USD, and the take profit target was 130, so 1.30. That was the take profit number one. We can see price made it. It almost made it, and then we got a reverse. Okay, the price reversed right back to our entry. Our entry was around here. Okay, and price pushed up, but it didn't exactly hit the take profit yet. Okay, right now it made it halfway, just a few pips away from the TP, and then it ended up reversing back. Yeah, I think it still has the chance to hit that TP. Okay, so if you're still in that trade, just keep holding it. Okay, so GBP USD, not much to say. You know, the price is still in this downtrend here, and for it to be out of this downtrend, it has to the price has to break above 100. What do I keep saying 100? The price has to break above 1.30. Okay, so 1.3104006. Okay, if we get an hourly candle above that, then we will most likely push higher. Okay, and then our current support for GBP USD is sitting down here at 1.2986. Okay, so this is the current buy area, 1.2984, 86. So you want to look to buy GBP USD. If we break below this level, it's going to turn into resistance. Okay, so if we break below 1.29, 0.2976, we break below that level, this entire zone, okay, so between 1.2976 and 1.3038 is all going to turn into resistance. All right, and then we want to look to sell when the price retraces back to that level. Okay, so that's GBP USD. Yeah, I would, at this point for GBP USD, if you want to enter a buy, I would say wait for the current hourly candle that's getting formed. Wait for it to finish forming. Just wait for it to finish getting forming. If it closes bullish, you can go ahead and buy. All right, but if it doesn't, just don't enter buy yet, and just wait until you see a bullish candle closing at this support. Okay, so that's GBP USD for you guys. Let's look at USD JPY. And hi to everybody who's just joining. If you're just joining the live, welcome. It's great to have you here. I hope you're doing great. What I'm doing right now is analyzing the Forex and Crypto market, and I do this every single day when I come live, Monday through Friday, from 10 a.m. Eastern Time and 10 p.m. Eastern Time. This is a great place to be in if you're a beginner, you want to learn how Forex works, how to trade it. Definitely join my live so you can learn. You can also follow me on TikTok and join my free Telegram group so you can get more information and more signals for free. Link to my Telegram channel is on my TikTok bio. Head over there right now and then join it, okay? So GUSD JPY, taking a look at it right now. This pair here is on its way to 150.86. Okay, I think that's where it's heading, and this is because that's the next resistance on the, I believe, on the 4-hour time frame. The next resistance we have is around 150.93, around there. Okay, so that's the next that's pretty much the next resistance. Okay, since price broke above this resistance here, 149.30 was our current resistance. Price broke above it, so now it has to go to the next resistance, which is sitting at around 150.93. So I'm in a buy. I'm bullish on this pair here, USD JPY, expecting the price to get to 150.93. Okay. Okay, so let me show you what I have marked down here for USD JPY. If you're looking to buy, as of right now, let's check it out. As of right now, this is the 1-hour time frame. On this 1 hour time frame, we can see price got rejected at this resistance. Okay, so if it got rejected, there's a chance we could come back down, okay, before we actually start moving back up higher. And we can come down as low as 149.65. Okay, 149.65 is currently the good area to enter a buy for USD JPY. Okay, price already tapped into that support. Not too long ago it tapped into it. So yeah, if it taps into it again, that could be a good area to enter a buy. Let's just see if there's any other support. So we do have another one here. We have another support right here, which if the price taps into it and holds that support, you can enter a buy there. So this is between 149.81 and 149.62. Unfortunate, but gold is going higher. Gold just watching gold right now on the other time frame, other screen. Yeah, so for USD JPY, good areas to look for buys between 149.86 and 149.64. Okay, so the price comes down there again, you can look to enter a buy. Target number 1, 150.22, and then number 2, 150.86 as you take profit. Okay, let's go and look at what else. Says, yeah, let's look at gold. Let's check it out because it's currently going higher and higher. I think gold is heading to 26.94. Okay, 26.94 is where it's heading right now. So let it push up to 26.94, and then we need right now gold. We cannot join in the buy right now. It's best we wait for the price to form a new support. Okay, because if we buy right now, we're buying at the top, which is too risky. Okay, it's too risky to be buying at the top. So we'll just wait. We just broke the resistance here of 26 85, which is great. Since we broke it, the price is expected to now start pushing higher. Okay. Yeah, let me check. Right now it's trying to build this new support. Okay, so if this current candle closes bullish, goes higher, then this is going to turn into our new support. Okay, this here will turn into a new support. Now hasn't done that, so we can't really count it yet. Okay, as of right now, our current support is at 26.86 and 26.81 there. Now there's something that you guys this is something that many people may or may not know, but for gold, whenever it breaks above whenever gold breaks above the last resistance, okay, whenever it's forming a new all-time high, okay, the levels where it tends to starts dropping for, since it has no other resistance along the way, is once it reaches like for every $5 increment, that's when it would drop. So as of right now, since it broke above this current resistance 26.88, okay, the area where it's mostly going to find strong resistance would be around 26.95. Okay, 26.95 is where you will most likely stop dropping and do a major retracement. Okay, so for every $5 increment, after the price has no other resistance along the way, okay, it will start dropping on every $5 increment. So this means that we can expect the price to drop there and look to sell around those levels. Okay. So yeah, for gold, we're just waiting. Still nothing, no trading opportunity yet. Okay, we want to enter a buy, but we cannot buy right now because number one, price is forming a new high. We do not buy when the price is forming a new high. We want to wait for a support to be formed or for the price to return to our current support, which is at 26.86. Okay, so yeah, for now it's just a matter of waiting. We're just waiting right now. Let's keep waiting. I think we'll just look at gold for now. We shall. Time check the news. So the news came out negative. Gold is still pushing. Yeah, so we're still waiting. The price is gonna most likely keep pushing higher. Let me go to 1 minute. This is the 1 minute. I think once it gets to 26.94, 26.95, this is when it's most likely going to start retracing down. See if that plays out. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. If you tap on our screen, let's get the likes to 20,000, please. If you're just joining the live, welcome. Hope you're doing great. What I do here is analyze the Forex and crypto market for you guys. Also did take live trades so you guys can learn how the entire process works. Great place to be in if you're a beginner and you would like to learn about trading. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, join the Telegram group, get more information completely for free, and also get more signals. If you want to get signals, then make sure you are in my Telegram group. I tend to share about 3 signals maximum per week on the Telegram group. This is great for you to start making profit right away from trading even without experience. Holy mother of Lord Jesus. Wow. Holy. Look at that spike. It's crazy. Hey. Wow, look at that. See, it pushed all the way to 26.94. Okay. Let me move this to 26.95. Let's see. I wonder if it's going to get rejected there. Damn, that's crazy. Okay, awesome. So gold is now at 26.95. Let's see if it's getting rejected. So look at this. 26.95. It just hit it, and look at how it's struggling to break the resistance. I mean, it's not a resistance yet. It's supposed to act as a resistance. What broker do you use? There's 2 brokers that I use and recommend. I have it listed on my bio. I have it listed on my bio. The first one is abaro.com. Okay, abaro.com. And then the other broker that I use and recommend is fxcc.com. You just go to my bio right now, you'll see the link to these brokers. Okay, so we are at 26.95. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna go to the 15-minute time frame. I'm gonna look at all the other time frames right now. I'm doing that on my other screen just to mark out the new level of support the price has given us here. Okay, because initially our support was down here at 26.86, but since the price has now made this new high, that things have shifted a little bit. What time of the day will your trading classes take place? Viral, are you in the October trading class? If you're in the October trading class, then you should have seen the information I posted in the group chat. So just check the group chat on Telegram to see the time for the class, because I posted it there yesterday. No problem. So we can see we got rejected at 26.95, just like I told you guys was most likely gonna happen. Okay, 26.95. That's because every $5 increment, gold tends to drop every $5 increment. That is a different strategy on its own. Okay, so I'm checking the 30 minutes. There's no let me share it with you guys here so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so we're checking the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour, we can see we're currently making a new high, and now our last support on the 1 hour is around 26.82. Okay, so but the 1 hour support there is for us, it's not for the price to come down to, it's for our stop loss. It's supposed to be used for us to put our stop loss below. So now on the 30 minutes, let's see, 30 minutes, still there's no support. The last one is down over here. Okay, which gold will most likely not come down to anytime soon. Now on the 15 minutes, we have a new support here. It's currently being formed. I'm going to delete this white line because it's no longer important. So our new support seems to be around here. Okay. 10 minutes, 5. Okay, yeah, so a new support for buying gold. Okay, good area to look for potential buys around 26.91 and 26.86. Okay, 26.91, 26.86, and the stop loss should be below 26.81. Okay, 26.81 is where you would want to set your stop loss if you're going to enter this buy around this support 26.91, which gold is about to pull down to. Okay, so let's see when as the price comes down to this support. If it holds it, then you can look to enter a buy. Okay, but just keep in mind this is an extremely risky buy to be making because we are entering at a new high. Okay, when entering at a new high, this is the 1 hour time frame, and we can see this is currently the new high price is making, and this is not a good I mean, it could play out, okay, but it's just too risky, so just make sure you don't use too crazy lot size. Okay, so if we look at this uptrend, because this is an uptrend that gold is currently in, okay, on 1 hour time frame. Now whenever you are trading uptrend, okay, you want to look for buying opportunity, and the best areas to be buying is around the previous high that the price just broke above. Okay, the previous high that the price just broke above, this is usually where you want to enter buys in an uptrend. Okay, so either around there, or the other best area is the previous low of that uptrend. If the price comes down to it, that's also another good area to buy. Okay, but mainly is the previous high that price just broke. That is usually the area we want to enter buy. So for this 1 hour time frame, our previous high that gold just broke above is 26.88. This is this resistance here. This is this high here. That's where gold just broke above. Now this current candle hasn't closed yet. Okay, so it does not count as a previous high yet. It doesn't count as a support yet until the price actually closes this 1 hour candle above it. The resistance is about 15 minutes left for that to happen. So if that this current 1 hour candle closes bullish, closes above 26.88, now 26.88 is going to turn into our support, and this is where we would want to enter a buy. Okay, because gold is eventually going to come back down to 26.88 before it continues going higher. Okay, it's going to eventually come down there. Okay, so that would be a really good area to look for buy. Okay, now when the price comes to a support, yes, you want to buy, but you shouldn't buy right away. It's best to wait for the price to give you confirmation that that support is actually going to be held. Okay, so I just marked it down there. Let's right here, we'll wait for the price to reach this zone for us to enter a potential buy again. Okay, so that's basically it. Let's look at something else. So far I've looked at Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin here again. Okay, so for Bitcoin here, it is an uptrend. We want to look for buys, and the best area to buy is around 26,500. Sorry, the best area to buy is 66,500. 66,500. Okay, that's the area to be buying Bitcoin, around 66,500, 66,600. Now to buy Bitcoin, we want to see a bullish 1 hour candle at this support. So far we haven't seen that yet. Yeah, so let's wait for the current candle. If it closes bullish, just go ahead and place a buy on Bitcoin, and then target 67,800 as take profit number 1, and then target 68,300 as take profit 2. Okay, so that's Bitcoin there. Okay, that's a nice trade you can take on Bitcoin. GBP USD is currently at support. We have support between 1.2977 and 1.2991. If the current candle closes bullish, you can go ahead and place a buy and target 1.30 as you take profit. Okay, so that's GBP USD. USD JPY, okay, also currently in an uptrend, and I'm targeting the price is expected to get to number 1 150.21, and then number 2 150.85. Okay, and if you want to join in on this buy here for USD JPY, the best area to look for buy is between 149.83 and 149.64. That's the current support that we have for USD JPY here, and then you want to set your stop loss at 149.23. Okay, so that's where you will set your stop loss for the buy on USD JPY. 149.20, 21. Let's just say 21. 149.21 is where you want to set your stop loss if you're going to join in this buy, and buy anywhere between 149.63 and 149.80. Okay, so I've given you guys about 3 signals right now. One is on GBP USD, the other is on USD JPY, and we also have Bitcoin as well. So 3 signals. Yeah, for Bitcoin, don't enter the buy yet. We need to see a bullish candle closing at the current support where it is at. Okay, so for Bitcoin, yes, you will take profit at 67,800. 60, you're targeting this previous high here, 67,800, and then number 2 is 68,300. Okay, and then your stop loss for Bitcoin, very good question here. Your stop loss for Bitcoin, I need to go check something. Okay, let's see. Easy. So your stop loss for Bitcoin, this is why I don't like sending signals on Bitcoin, because the stop loss, in order to be extremely safe for Bitcoin, it has to be at 65,000. Okay, that would be like, if you don't want to get stopped out, okay, 65,000 is where the price is most likely not going to go below. Okay, but if you want to want a smaller stop loss, then okay, put it at 66,000. Yeah, 66,095. Okay, 66,095. You can set your stop loss there. That's literally the lowest as of right now, because right now this entire level here is support. Okay, this entire zone between 65 up to 66,500, this entire zone is support. So we're going to trade from this support here. We need to set our stop loss slightly below it, because that's the price cannot break below. You understand? So that's why with Bitcoin, it's like, if you want to be trading Bitcoin, you have to be willing to have huge stop loss. If you're not willing to have huge stop loss, then it's best to not trade Bitcoin on the bigger time frame. If you want to have smaller stop loss for Bitcoin, then go and trade Bitcoin on the lower time frame. Okay, which I usually don't do. Okay, for Bitcoin, I don't like trading it on the lower time frame, just because there's a lot of manipulations that happens. You know, price does not really respect market structure a lot on the lower time frame. So that's why for Bitcoin, I just prefer trading it on a bigger time frame. If we look at it on the lower time frame, okay, let me try to just come down to this lower time frame. We'll look at let's look at 10 minutes. Okay, on the 10-minute time frame here for Bitcoin, what we see is that the market is currently in a downtrend. We know this because, yes, buy GBP USD if it closes bullish. So we know that Bitcoin is in a downtrend because we're forming lower highs and lower lows. Okay, now currently Bitcoin, this is our last low here. This is our last low here that the price formed, 66,741, and our last high was, let's see, our last high was actually over here. Okay, I'm going to just mark this entire zone here. Okay, so right here, this is our resistance right now for Bitcoin. Okay, I'm analyzing Bitcoin on the lower time frame to help you guys find quick trading opportunities. Just tell you where Bitcoin is heading. So this is it here. We are in a downtrend. For Bitcoin to get out of this downtrend, we need a break above 67,076. Okay, if it closes above 67,076, then it's going to go up. Okay, it's going to go up. So far, it attempted to break it, but it failed, and now it's heading back there again. Okay, it's heading back to 67,267. If we get either a 5-minute or a 10-minute candle closing above that resistance, go ahead and place a buy on Bitcoin, and then just set your stop loss below 66,620. Okay, set your stop loss below 66,620, and then your number one target 67,500. Okay, so that would be TP number one here, 67,500. TP number two would be at 67,700, and then finally TP number three will be at 67,900. Okay, so this is like quick trading opportunity for Bitcoin. Okay, once we see a 5-minute candle closing above 67,300, then go ahead and place a buy at the Please tell me 15 minutes chart gold. Can I buy or sell? Okay, let me check out gold. Okay, so gold on the 15 minutes, you don't want to sell yet. Okay, there's no signs that the market is coming down on the 15-minute time frame, so you don't want to sell right now. You want to look for buys, and the best area to look for buy is 26.92. Okay, 26.92 is the best area to look for buy for gold as of right now. In terms of sell, we don't have any signals to sell gold on the 15-minute time frame. Nothing like that. Okay. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes to 20,000. Double tap on your screen, please. Help me get the likes to 20,000, guys. Please double tap. Okay. Let's check out the DXY, guys. Okay, it's been a while. You need to see. Sometimes the DXY can give you an idea of what's about to happen to gold. Okay, so let's check it out. DXY. Damn, it's extremely bullish. It's crazy. It's interesting how the DXY and gold are pumping on this at the same time. Usually that is not supposed to be, okay, because the DXY and gold, they move in the opposite direction of each other. So yeah, interesting. The DXY is pumping and gold is also pumping at the same time. Okay. So you take on trading on pairs market, open session or closed session. So my strategy, the strategy that I used to trade, which has helped me to make so much profit, has nothing to do with the market open and close session. Yeah, the strategy that I trade with, I can trade it pretty much at any moment because it appears, yeah, it appears at any moment. So I don't really base it off of market and open session. I've never really traded based on market and open session. Okay, so DXY, it broke this resistance here. We had resistance over here at 103.51. Okay, we broke it. The next resistance is at 104.81. Okay, so DXY is most likely going to keep pushing up, and I'm expecting gold to dump because of this. Like, yeah, this is because when DXY is pushing up, gold is supposed to come down. They cannot, the two cannot be moving in the same direction at the same time. So I think gold is going to come down very soon. It's just a matter of time. But in the long term, gold is heading up. So if it comes down, that is our opportunity. That is our opportunity to actually buy gold. Okay, if it comes down, that's your opportunity to buy, not to go ahead and sell heavily. Okay, let's look at other cryptos, guys. It's been a while. I'm always focusing on BTC, but I know I have a few crypto people in a room. So let's start out by looking at what cryptocurrency would you guys like me to analyze, y'all? Let me know in the comment section. I've looked at Bitcoin already. Okay, we've looked at Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is a buy if we break above 67,300. So far it hasn't done that, so you can't buy Bitcoin. But what other crypto you guys trade and want analysis on? XRP. Okay, check out XRP USDT. Stock rules don't apply to BTC. Well, this is Forex, and the strategy that I use on Forex also works on cryptocurrency. XRP, let's see. I really try not to. I don't like trading altcoins because the market structure there tends to be very like it tends to be very weird and stuff. So trading altcoins is very it's better to just trade Bitcoin and Ethereum because they have a cleaner market structure. Let's delete all this stuff. Okay, XRP. I'm just gonna check it out here. What is the trend in this thing? Sometimes it can be very difficult to try to figure out the trend when it comes to cryptocurrency. So this one, we can see it was in an uptrend around here. We're in an uptrend, and then market started downtrend here. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna just focus on what's currently happening here. See what's happening here. We try to look at the whole bigger picture. Sometimes it would just get confusing and stuff. So let's just focus on what's currently happening. Number one, we see that we have a low over here, okay, which price is currently using as support to push up. Okay, so this is our current support here between 50.76. Okay, so 50 cents and 54 cents 20. My Discord is I don't have a Discord. I have a Telegram channel and it is free. If you want to join my Telegram channel, go to my TikTok bio right now and you'll see the link to join it. Oh, thank you, Lawrence. Thank you for the heart. Hey, Michelle Day. Thank you for following. Thank you to everybody who's following me. Please join the Telegram group and stay connected. Subscribe to my channel. And I'm doing marvelous. Thank you. How about you? Okay, so XRP here, we have support between 50 cents and 54 cents. Okay. Since the price is holding this support, the next resistance on the daily time frame is up here at 66 cents. Okay, 66 cents is where the next resistance is at. I'm gonna mark it down here. Okay, so that's the daily time frame. Daily time frame is not in any sort of trend right now. It's the price has just been moving sideways. Okay, it's just been moving sideways here. Okay. So that's our resistance. So now let's check out the 1 hour time frame. Oh, just went for heart surgery. You went. Wow. Sorry to hear that. I hope you're doing better and wishing you quick recovery. Okay. So this is XRP on the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame here, now we can see things a little bit more clear. Okay, sort of see things a little bit more clear. I really don't like the market structure of this cryptos. It's very bizarre. It is very bizarre. Okay, so yeah, we are in an uptrend here. Okay, this is XRP we're looking at. Okay, about to go up to the ETF. Okay, if I'm focused on just what's happening, I think it's gonna go up. Okay, right now we have support right here at 54 cents 91. Price just held the support, so it's heading back up to 55.72. So look to buy XRP right now. Target 55.72 as take profit number 2, and then target 56 cents 20 as take profit number 2. Okay, is there any negative impact on trading pairs that are not volatile? No, there's no negative impact. Trading pairs that are not volatile, it just means that it's going to take a while for the price to hit your targets because the market is moving very slow, so you may not gain that much pips from those pairs. Guys, I'm still looking at gold. I know you guys think I forgot about gold, but I didn't. I have it open on my other screen, so I'm always looking at it every moment. So I can see gold is still not at a really good area to buy. It's still not. 1 hour time frame. Okay, the 1 hour time frame just closed bullish. So officially we have our support at our support is at 26.91. Okay, 26.91. There is where our support is currently at. This would be the best area to buy gold. Let's see if there's any other support. Looks like gold might actually keep pushing higher. Yeah, it looks like it might push higher. We have a new support that it just formed here. We might actually keep higher here. Let's see, we have a new support. Price is building here, 26.95. If it pushes up higher, okay, and returns to 26.95, we can look to buy. Gold is complicated today. Yeah, sort of. This is what happens once the price is forming a new all-time high. The price tends to be very like strange. It's to be very strange. So yeah, so for gold, we're just gonna keep waiting. Okay, right now I want to enter a buy around 26.91. If the price returns towards, that would be the best. Next best area to buy. Let's see, 3-minute time frame. Yeah, right now just let's not buy gold. Let's just be patient and wait. So far it's unfortunate we haven't been able to take any trade so far in this live. We haven't. Oh gee, this is Bitcoin. Okay, this is Bitcoin, so it hasn't broken the resistance yet. Okay, so for Bitcoin I told you once we break above 67,350, then go ahead and place a buy on Bitcoin. Okay, it hasn't done that yet, so you can break it. I mean, you can enter the buy yet. So just wait. And for GBP/USD, for GBP/USD, it closed bullish, so this is the buy. Price is most likely going to go up, and you target 130. Okay, 1.30 as you take profit. It's 1.3030. Yeah, 1.3030. And then the stop loss is at 1.2939. So guys, if you want to get started with trading, number one, you need to register with a broker. Okay, you can open a broker with any there's a lot of brokers out there. You can literally just go on Google and search it. Okay, but sometimes it can be hard to find a really good broker. Now, I have two brokers that I use and recommend. First one is abaro.com. Let me write it down here. So abaro.com, that's number one good broker that I use. The other one is fxcc.com. Okay, so what you need to do right now is go to my TikTok bio. You will see the link to these brokers, abaro.com and fxcc. Just choose whichever one of them you want to use, open an account, and you can start trading right away. Okay, with fxcc, you will need to download the app MT4. Okay, so you need to download the app MT4 to be able to trade with this broker fxcc. With Abaro, you don't need to. You can just go on the website abaro.com, open an account, and start trading right from that site. Okay, now once you open an account with a broker, in order to start trading, you need to deposit some funds. Are you saying that now is a good time to buy GOLD? Yes. You cannot connect MT4 with abaro.com because Abaro is a trading platform. It's both a broker and a trading platform. Okay, so once you create an account with a broker, you will need to deposit some funds in your account. Okay, now because you are a beginner, okay, I don't recommend start trading with real money right away. It's best you open a demo account. Okay, open a demo account, which is basically it's an account that you can trade with fake money, so you can practice trading and everything. Okay, so practice trading on a demo account for a few weeks until you get the hang of it. Once you get the hang of it, then you go and fund your live account. Okay, you need to deposit some money into your live account. Start with like $100 or less. Okay, just so you can keep understanding how it works, and then once you understand, then you can go ahead and add more money. Okay, so that's basically how it works. This is all you need. And then you also need to have TradingView. Open an account with tradingview.com. Okay, so you go to tradingview.com. This is where you will be analyzing the market. Okay, this is where you analyze the market at tradingview.com. It's a website. You go to it, create an account, and then just go there and start analyzing. You can analyze the Forex and cryptocurrency market. If you don't know how to use tradingview.com, you can just go on YouTube and search TradingView tutorial. There's a lot of videos out there that will teach you how to use TradingView. Okay, if you don't know how to open a demo account, go on YouTube and search how to open a demo account on MT4. There's a lot of videos out there that will teach you how to open a demo account. Okay, and then for Abaro, if you don't know how to use Abaro, I actually have tutorials on my YouTube channel which you can go and watch. Okay, I have a lot of videos there that will show you how to navigate Abaro, how to open a demo account and all that. So check out my channel. The link is in the bio. So this is all you need to be able to start get started with trading. Now once you have all these things set up, the next thing you need is to learn how to analyze the market. Okay, you need to learn how to do technical analysis. Are you a full-time trader or do you still work? I am a full-time trader. I don't work anymore. Gold is on the support. TP for XRP. Yeah. How did you learn how to analyze the chart? Okay. Great question. So yes, gold is currently approaching that support, 26.91. I'm closely watching it. Once that support is held, then we'll take a quick buy on gold. Okay, so just be patient here. Hold on. Okay. So XRP, the TP for XRP was, let's check it out. It was 55 cent 65. Okay, 55 cents 5 cents 60. Okay, that's what it was. Tabitha, yes. What's up? How did you learn how to analyze a chart? So I learned how to analyze the chart a few ways. The first thing is I got the basic knowledge on what the candlesticks are. I learned about support and resistance. So how I learned all these things is by a course. I bought a course online at this place called Crypto University. I got that course. It was about 300. Bought it, and then it taught me basically the basic of technical analysis. And then from there, I then started going on YouTube to just get more knowledge. I was trying to learn about support and resistance, market structure, and all those stuff. I just would watch different types of videos on YouTube of people explaining support and resistance, explaining trends and stuff. And then I started also spent a lot of time looking at the chart by myself, okay, because I didn't understand all these people that were explaining support and resistance. It was just not making sense. But I decided to just spend time on the chart on my own, to just study the chart. Literally, you can learn how the market moves if you just spend time studying it. Okay, if you just spend time studying it, you will eventually start seeing certain patterns on how the market tends to move. This is what I did, and I was able to learn more about how the market reacts around support and resistance, and I learned how the trends gets created. All of these things I learned on my own by just studying the chart. Okay, let's go back. Gold is currently at a critical buy level. So if it holds this support, we will look to enter a buy. Let's see here. It's trying to hold the support. It's trying to hold it. Okay, it held the support. So take a quick buy on gold. Okay, very quick buy on gold here. And this is a trade I'm placing on Abato.com. I'm taking a quick buy on gold, targeting number one, 26.94 as the first take profit. Okay, 26.94, and then 26.96 as the second take profit. And guys, remember, this is a very risky trade, so trade safely because we're buying at the top. So 26.96, second take profit. And in terms of stop loss, $26.86. Okay, so our first take profit is about to get hit, 26.94. And when the price gets there, I recommend closing the trade. Since this was a risky trade anyways, just start taking profit, because I think the price is going to eventually start dropping down lower. Okay, so we don't want to be in any buy at this area here. This is just quick scalping opportunity for us to take. Now, a good area to buy, I told you guys, very good area to look for buys would be around 26.88. Okay, 26.88. If price comes down to that level, that is a very good area to buy. And also 26.86, good level to enter a buy for gold. But for now, because it's holding this current support 26.91, it's most likely going to push back up towards 26. Okay. If you look at the 30 minutes, it may look a little bit scary. This one, that was the small support broken. Okay. Okay, so it's heading, yeah, it's heading down lower. Now this entire zone here, 26.86 and 26.891, is a level of support for the market. Okay, so it has entered this zone, it's going lower. It first held the support here, but now it's heading lower. So if it holds the support again, okay, I mean, if it holds the support again, if we see another bullish candle, you can enter another buy at this level. And the level it shouldn't break below is 26.86. That's the level it shouldn't break below. So now it's, I told you guys, a really nice level to buy is around 26.88. So the price is literally around there. So now we just need to wait to see if the price is going to hold that support. Okay. So let's see if it's going to hold it. But it's currently at the support and it's trying to hold the support. If it holds it, then it's going to bounce back up. the information about the stop loss and the take profit is literally right on the screen. Now for those who are entering lower here, now your TP is at 26.92. Okay, if you're entering at the lower price, TP number one is at 26.92. Those who entered up here at 26.91, your TP is still at 26.94. But since the price dropped lower here, at this point, if the price returns back to 26.92, it's probably best you just close your trade. Okay, close your trade at break even. Don't target 26.94 again, okay? Because now this is turning into resistance. 26.93 days now our resistance. So it's best you just close your trade once the price returns back to this entry level 26.91. Okay, so it's holding the support. I'm gonna enter another quick buy for gold and then targeting 26.92 as the take profit, and the stop loss is still the same. Okay, stop loss is still the same thing. If you enter the buy at this low point, we are in profit and getting out at 26.91. Okay, and for those who enter the buy at the top here, get out once the price hits 26.91, 26.92. Okay, just close at break even. For everybody who's following me, I have a Telegram group for you guys to join. Make sure you join it so you can stay connected, get more information and more signals for free. Okay, join my Telegram group, link is in the bio. So I'm out of the trade now. The second buy that I entered down here, I just closed it at 26.91. Okay, and for those who entered at 26.92, it's probably best you close it now. Okay, because this is now resistance point. If you want to keep holding it, then hold it at your own risk. Okay, I'm just letting you know this is resistance unless the price breaks above it. Okay, let's see how the market reacts. If it breaks this resistance, then keep holding it, but if it gets rejected, then sell. Okay, don't, if it gets rejected, don't sell. By the way, GBP/USD, the trade on GBP/USD is currently playing out. Let me show y'all. See, if it breaks the 26.93, then keep holding the buy. Okay, for those who bought at 26.92, if it breaks above it, keep holding, but if it gets rejected, close the trade. Yes, I do have a Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel is on my TikTok bio. Okay, GBP/USD is pushing, guys. Look at that. Just like I told you it was gonna do. So if you took that buy on GBP/USD, you are currently in profit, and keep holding the trade because I believe the price is gonna keep going higher. Okay, TP is at 1.3030. How do you start trading and how much can you start with? So in order to start trading, you need to open an account with a broker. There's two brokers that I use and recommend. you can open an account with FXCC or Abaro.com. Just head over to my bio and you will see the link to these brokers. Okay, choose whichever one you want. If it's FXCC, go ahead and create an account. Now with FXCC, you need to download the app MT4. Okay, so go to the App Store or Play Store and search for MT4. Download that app. Now go on Google and search for FXCC, or just go to my bio. You'll see the link there, and open an account with this broker FXCC. Once you open an account, then once you open an account with a broker, then the next thing you want to do is to verify your identity. You're going to need you're going to need to verify your identity using your ID and your bank statement and all that. Once your account is verified, then now you need to deposit some money into your account to start trading, and you can start with any amount that you have. Okay, you can start as low as $10. Now with $10 you cannot really make that much profit. Okay, if you want to make good amount of profit, I recommend start with a minimum $100. If Abaros does not seem good for you guys, then go and use FXCC. Okay, with Abaro, there's one disadvantage with it. The disadvantage is that they don't have an app. You can only trade on Abaro using going through the website directly. So that's one disadvantage. It just makes it difficult to trade on the phone. So yeah, with FXCC though, you can trade on MT4. So sign up with it. I've seen your videos for Abaro, but it doesn't explain the lot size properly. What about the lot size do you not understand? Because it's pretty much the same as on an MT4 and everything. What about it do you not understand? Ashanti. Should we close GBP USD? Why would you close GBP USD? The place where you should close it is at 1.3030. What lot size is advisable for $100? So for $100, I recommend 0.01. Okay, 0.01 is going to be a lot safer. Now checking gold, guys, it's getting rejected. So those who entered at 26.92, close your trade because price has gone to rejected. Please, do you have a VIP group? Yes, I do. If you want to be part of my VIP signal group, you can send me a message on TikTok or Telegram, and I'll give you more information on how you can join. On the VIP group, I share a lot more signals than on the main group. The main group, I only share about minimum or maximum 3 signals per week. But on the VIP, I share over 10 signals. Usually it's around 5 to 10 signals a week. So far this week, we've given out about 8 signals, and there's more signals to come until tomorrow. Okay, from now until tomorrow. So yeah, I'm most likely going to share another signal later today, and then another one probably in the evening, and then more tomorrow, and then we'll call it a day. Yes, do you have a class or mentorship? Yes, I do. I do trade. I do teach how to trade every single month, and my next trading class is starting on October 21st. If you want to join this class, then go to my bio and fill the form there that says trading class. Fill that form, and then I'll get back to you within 24 hours. Confirm your registration. I'll send you an email, so please check your email once you fill that form. And the deadline to register is October 20th. Code rejected, yeah. So margin is the amount of money that you have available to open another trade, okay, and to keep your position open. And then the volume is the lot size, okay. So on Abaro.com, that's special margin. I didn't want to try to take. To be honest, I did complain a little on Telegram to you. Not complain, but say I didn't want to take trades with such low stop loss, but if I had not, yeah, yeah. If I Ashanti, just go and download FXCC, okay? Just use FXCC because I understand about it. It can be complicated sometimes. Just download MT4, open an account with FXCC, okay? Okay, Lucky Bird, just click on one of the links. Usually when you open it, you will see when you go to the website, the one that is FXCC, it will say FXCC. Okay? So that's how you will figure it out. I think the first one, broker one, is FXCC, I believe. But to confirm, just click on the link and you'll be able to see. You'll see the name. So guys, I'm gonna have to go off now. Usually I'm supposed to just stay live for 1 hour maximum. I'll come live again later tonight by God's grace around 10 p.m. Eastern time. Thank you so much for joining today's live. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some value from it. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and join my Telegram group to get more information, okay? And I do come live Monday through Friday, 2 times a day. First time is around 10 a.m. Eastern time. Second time is around 10 p.m. Eastern time. So you can catch me live on these times to learn more and trade together. You trade VIX? No, I don't trade synthetics. Gold one last time. Okay. Sure, let me look at gold one more time. Okay. So gold, yeah, I told you guys 2688 was a very strong level of support for us to look for buy. And we can see gold when it came back to 2688. Guess what? It pushed back up. Okay, we can see that bounce back up on the 1 minute time frame. Look at that. The moment it hit 2688 here, boom, it started pushing up. And then as of right now, so this resistance here, 2693, looks like it broke it. It got rejected, but unfortunately that rejection was not strong enough to bring the price down. Okay, so now it has broken above it. Now I think it's going to go up higher. Okay, let me just see. Let me check the 1 hour time frame once more. Okay, so the current 1 hour time frame is bearish. Okay, right now it is bearish. And actually, I just realized TP number 1 just go ahead. So for those who bought at 26.92, if you didn't close the trade, then, and if you're still holding it, then TP number 1 just go ahead. Okay, and our stop loss never go ahead. So this trade was still active. I just told you guys to close it just because I wanted to make sure you guys don't lose anything, since the price basically created a resistance around that level 26.93. So that's why I told you to close it. But if you didn't took that instruction and you still decided to open, then you are in profit. Okay, okay, if you close it, it's completely fine. So now let's see what is happening. Okay, our current support is still around 26.86 and 26.91. Okay, that is where our current support is, and we can see price tapped into it, and now it's reversing back up. Now it is still the current support. If the price comes down to around 26.86 and 26.91 again, it's most likely going to bounce back up again. Okay, and as of right now, our resistance, let's go to the 30-minute. So price is now has a resistance at 26.96 here. Okay, let's see. So this is a good area to look for potential sales if the price gets rejected there. Okay, so right there. Okay, so 26.96, price is approaching that resistance. If it gets rejected, then you can look to enter a sell. So you want to see a rejection on 5 minute time frame. If we get a bearish candlestick over here, okay, on the 5 minute time frame, you can enter a sell if that happens. Okay, otherwise, if it doesn't, if it breaks above it, you just, well, at that point you just want to wait for the next the next resistance to be formed, or the next support to be built. Okay, now let me tell you guys how resistance is formed. Okay, the moment we have a green candle followed by a red candle, that is how resistance is formed. Okay, when the price does this on the 1 hour time frame, I'm teaching you guys my strategy, but when the price formed this bullish candle and a red candle, okay, on the 1 hour time frame, and then after that it pushes down, okay, this now becomes a resistance. Okay, this becomes a resistance once we have the price is going up, and then suddenly we have a red candle followed by we have a green candle followed by a red candle, and then the price drops. At the top there is resistance. So the next time the price goes back up at this level, all you gotta do is go to the 1 minute time frame and see if the price is getting rejected. If it gets rejected, you sell. Okay, that's basically it. And then for the support, it's the opposite. Support, you basically is formed when there's a red candle followed by a green candle, a bullish candle. Okay, and then when the price pushes up, that turns into support. When it comes down in the future, you go to the 1 minute or 5 minute time frame. If it's holding, you buy. Okay, so guys, with that being said, I will go off now. I'll see you guys later today. Thank you for joining today's live. I hope you guys enjoy the remaining of your day. Make sure you join the Telegram group and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Take care, guys. Bye for now. And for those watching on YouTube, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the live. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the Telegram group as well. Okay. On YouTube, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the live. See you guys later today. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the Telegram group as well. Okay. YouTube, thank you so much for watching. I hope you